In the world of hypercars, there are machines that push boundaries, and then there are machines that redefine them entirely. The 2027 Bugatti Tourbillon belongs to the latter category. This is not simply another fast car. This is Bugatti entering a new chapter in automotive history. Following in the footsteps of the legendary Veyron and the formidable Chiron, the Tourbillon arrives as the latest expression of what happens when engineering meets artistry at the absolute pinnacle of performance. This is a limited production hypercar built for a very specific audience. Bugatti has always occupied a unique position in the automotive world where exclusivity meets extreme capability. The name tourbillon comes from the world of haute horlogerie, referring to a complex mechanism in luxury watchmaking that counters the effects of gravity with precision and mechanical beauty. That same philosophy defines this vehicle. Bugatti created the tourbillon not just to go faster, but to evolve their brand philosophy into something more refined and more technically sophisticated. This car is built for ultra-wealthy collectors and enthusiasts who view hypercars not just as transportation, but as works of mechanical art. The design of the tourbillon, where form and function become inseparable. Every surface, every curve, every vent has a purpose. The exterior language is sculpted and aerodynamic yet undeniably beautiful. The signature Bugatti horseshoe grille anchors the front end, while the iconic C-line flows along the body, creating a silhouette that is instantly recognizable. The proportions are classic hypercar territory. Long, low, and impossibly wide, the stance alone communicates intent. Lighting elements are sharp and purposeful with LED signatures that serve both aesthetic and aerodynamic roles. The wheels are masterpieces in their own right, wrapped around massive brake calipers that hint at the stopping power within. Carbon fiber is not hidden here, it is celebrated. Exposed sections of the body showcase the material in raw form. Every design decision balances visual drama with aerodynamic efficiency. This is not styling for the sake of attention. This is engineering made visible. Beneath that sculpted exterior lies the beating heart of the tourbillon, and it is unlike anything Bugatti has built before. The powertrain is a naturally aspirated V16 engine paired with a hybrid electric system. Together they produce over 1,800 horsepower. This is not just a number on paper. This is force translated into motion. The drivetrain is all-wheel drive, ensuring that immense power reaches the ground with control and precision. Acceleration figures are staggering. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour happens in less time than it takes to process what is occurring. Top speed estimates push the boundaries of what is physically possible on four wheels. But raw speed is only part of the story. What makes the tourbillon remarkable is how it delivers that performance. The naturally aspirated V16 produces a sound that is symphonic. No turbochargers muffle the engine note. It is pure mechanical harmony. The hybrid system does not just add power. It fills gaps in torque delivery and allows for moments of electric-only driving when needed. The engineering philosophy here is clear. Brutality and refinement are not opposites. They are partners. This is a machine that can unleash fury on a racetrack and then transition to composed grand touring without hesitation. That duality continues when you step inside. The cabin of the tourbillon is a study in contrast. Driver-focused yet luxurious, modern yet respectful of tradition. The layout centers everything around the driver, with controls and surfaces angled for intuitive reach. Materials are exceptional. Leather machined aluminum and carbon fiber come together in a composition that feels both technical and opulent. The instrument cluster is inspired by Swiss watchmaking and features analog dials that evoke mechanical timepieces. This is a deliberate rejection of full digital overload. Bugatti understands that tactile beauty and physical craftsmanship still matter. Of course, modern technology is present. A touchscreen infotainment system handles connectivity and digital functions, but it does not dominate the experience. The seats are sculpted to hold the body during high-speed cornering, yet remain comfortable enough for extended journeys. Every stitch, every surface, every control has been considered. Bugatti offers extensive personalization through their bespoke program, allowing owners to tailor materials, colors, and finish to their exact preference. The result is an interior that honors tradition while embracing the future. Performance means nothing without control, and the Tourbillon is engineered to inspire out confidence. Advanced aerodynamics play a critical role, with active elements that adjust downforce based on speed and driving conditions. The suspension is adaptive, tuned for track aggression, yet compliant enough for real roads. Braking is handled by carbon ceramic discs that provide extreme stopping power without fade. Stability and traction control systems work invisibly in the background, allowing the driver to explore the limit safely. Handling is precise with feedback that communicates exactly what the tires are doing. The carbon monocoque chassis is both lightweight and incredibly strong, offering rollover protection and structural rigidity. This is a car that can navigate public roads without drama and then dominate a track with surgical precision. Engineering competence is evident in every dynamic element. Of course, this is not a vehicle for everyone. The Tourbillon is produced in extremely limited numbers, ensuring exclusivity at the highest level. The price point is in the multi-million-dollar range, placing it firmly in the realm of ultra-high net worth individuals. These are collectors and enthusiasts who view ownership as membership in an elite circle. Practicality in the traditional sense is not the priority. Ground clearance is minimal. Storage space is limited. Seating is strictly for two. This is not a car for daily commuting or grocery runs. Instead, it is reserved for special occasions, private collections, track events, and moments when automotive artistry is meant to be experienced. Ownership comes with bespoke service and the prestige of the Bugatti name. This is a statement piece as much as it is a machine. The 2027 Bugatti Tourbillon represents more than just performance numbers or design achievements. It is a declaration of what is possible when a brand refuses to compromise. From its naturally aspirated V16 hybrid powertrain to its watchmaker-inspired interior, from its aerodynamic sculpture to its exclusive production, this is a hypercar that honors tradition while pushing into the future. It is a masterpiece of engineering and artistry built for those who understand that some machines transcend their function and become something greater. If this kind of automotive excellence resonates with you, consider subscribing for more in-depth explorations of the machines that define the cutting edge. Thank you for watching.